everyone, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel My Way. So for today, I'm going to be sharing with you this look. So this is basically inspired by Malvika Siklani. She recently shared a fresh face makeup and this is what I recreated, and this is actually the look which I even follow. So yeah, if you're interested in this recreation, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. First she took a moisturizer, so I'm also gonna moisturize my skin. And the best thing is her skin is also very dry and my skin is also very dry in winter. So I've taken this organic harvest face and body butter. Again, it's very rich, it's very moisturizing. So next I use the Farsali glass serum, but I have this Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss Reflection Serum. This is also a serum for to get a glass skin. So I'm gonna use it today. So I'm gonna just apply it here. Again, this is just to get that glass skin, so you can see. So next she took a primer. So took the Benefit Professional primer, but I'm gonna take this Color Bar primer. This is again a silicone based primer, so it's great if you have pores. Just gonna. This is great if you have pores. So next she took the MAC Strobe Cream, but your girl got the PAC Strobe Cream. So I'm gonna use this PAC Strobe Cream. Okay, so next she used the color corrector. So you can see I don't have that much darkness under my eye. It's pretty normal, but you can see this giant redness. So I'm gonna use this green color corrector to correct it. So only you need to apply on the area where there is redness. I love how glossy, like dewy my skin looks right now. So next I'm going to set it using a compact. It's important to set it ताकि जब आप कोई concealer या कुछ लगाओ वो mix ना हो. Okay, so next she used two concealer. First concealer she used is from LA Pro Conceal. I do have the LA Pro Concealer, but I won't be using that. I will tell you later. And another she used the Swiss Beauty Concealer in 03, and my shade is also 03. That's a great thing. But for today, I'm going to use these two concealer. This one is the e.l.f. Concealer and this is the Swiss Beauty one. Why I'm using the e.l.f. Concealer? Because it's a slightly bit orange for me. So it got that peachish undertone that's going to help me color correct my under eyes and all the darkness on my face. And that's what she did. She used a LA Pro Conceal which got this peachish undertone. So that's great for her to cancel out the darkness. And this one is great for me to cancel out my darkness. So areas where we have got that darkness. I think this much is enough. So now I'm going to blend it using my Mars Beauty sponge. I'm just gonna. So you can see the difference. Look at here and here. Once I'm done with the e.l.f. concealer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty one, because you can see my skin is not looking even. Like, look at this area and this. So I'm going to use this concealer to brighten my under eyes, also to just give some sort of coverage on my skin. You can see now how even and skin-like my skin looks. So next we got to set our under eyes. Obviously we can't set our whole face because we are going to use tints. So अगर आप tint use करते, do not set your whole face, because powder के ऊपर अगर आप liquid या कोई भी gel based product लगाओ तो आपका base पूरा खराब हो जाएगा. So we gonna set only the under eyes where I can crease and around my mouth where I know I will crease if I won't set. So I'm gonna use a Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is also the powder that she used. And I'm just gonna take a very little product and I'm just gonna apply it onto my under eyes. Come brows. So my brows are not that thin, but I still like to fill in using my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. You can see I fill in this brow and this to see the difference. Let me show you what I do. I basically just draw a line here and I like to fill in all the gaps. that's pretty much it. This is what I like to do for my brows. So next she took a tint, and your girl has a tint too. So this is the Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint. I use this tint like a crazy person. So what I like to do is I like to take it on the back of my hand, just like she used. I like to take my beauty sponge and I like to dab it all over my cheeks, taking it all over my temples. Trust me, even I like to apply it in this way, and I was so happy, like it's not just me जो ऐसे apply करती है. So yeah, this just look how beautiful this area looks. This looks flat. So just apply it as if you're applying a blush and just take it towards your temples. So this is the temple region on my nose and a bit on my chin as well. This is the place where I like to apply it just to even out the face. This is how much I like. So now that I've applied the tint, it's time for my eyes. So first I'm going to take a lash curler to curl my lashes. So a good lash color is a must. So this Vega lash color is really too good. Next I used a mascara. So I'm going to take this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And I'm just going to coat my upper lashes, not my bottom. Like so. So next I took the L'Oreal Glam Bronze. And you guys know I have the L'Oreal Glam Bronze. But this place is right now a mess and I'm not able to find it. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild powder. And I'm just going to very lightly gonna apply it. This is a pretty optional step. I don't think there's any fun of doing it. It's a very optional step, but you can always use it for your nose. Okay, next she didn't use any highlighter whatsoever, so I don't think my skin even needs any highlighter because it's already very dewy. But I'm going to use this black kajal pencil just to tightline my eyes because I hate when your skin is visible. So I don't like that thing. So that's pretty much it for my eyes. I won't be applying anything on my lower lashes because that's what she did. So next that comes lips. So for lips she applied a lipstick and then the center she applied a tint. So that's what we're going to do. For my lips I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Satin Matte Lipstick in Tease. This is such a beautiful color. I'm going to apply it all over my lips. And I'm going to take a tissue. I'm going to remove my lipstick. And I'm going to remove the inner part of my lipstick. Then I'm going to take my tint and I'm going to apply it onto the centers. So pretty much this is the finished look. This is how blushed and dewy my skin looks. I am obsessed with it. And this is actually the look which even I do on a regular basis. So pretty much that's all for this video. I hope you like this tutorial. So if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.